it's Jackie with the fancy front door, Coach Fancy in Makers University. All right, let's party. Let me grab some cable tie mounts real quick for the back of this. There we go. All right, cable tie mounts. Go ahead and flip her over. And just kind of reinforce that sign with these. The door that this is going on does not get direct sunlight, which is really great. But if it did, what you would do is just peel off the white part and add some like E3000 to it. And instead of relying on the little sticky adhesive to hold it in. Let's just take this right quick, cut it in half. This is generally not the order that I do this, but I've got it in such a perfect position that I don't want to pop it out or bend my sign. So I've got that going for me. There we go. There we go. Cut the excess there, tuck it in, and then do the same over here. Yeah, I did not make this easy on myself. Do as I say, not as I do. Apply the cable tie mounts first. Okay. But what I had done, if you're just starting me, is I took the sign and I actually wedged it into my grapevine. I didn't want to bend it getting it out. And I didn't want to let the sign. There you go. See? It's so pretty. I think I'm going to start with a bow on the top and just have like lots of florals and everything just kind of drape around it. So I just want to accent. I don't want to cover up any of this beautiful sign. I just would like to have everything kind of flow around it. So let's start by, I don't need an incredibly long tail. In fact, I'll probably end up just cinching it over here. So I'll just walk that together. I'm going to lay it back and make a loop from back to front, and then walk it together again and stick it right on top, okay? Now, I'm going to twist this completely upside down. Okay, like so. Ta-da. And then make another loop from back to front. And then walk it together and stick it on top, okay? Make sure the tails are facing the way that I want them to. I actually kind of love the gingham showing. And then we'll make sure that those ears are the same height. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and pull this across. Do I like this better? No, let me pull it across the green. Okay. And then I'll do the same thing. I'll just kind of lay it back, make a loop from back to front. Twist it, pinch it. Okay, another loop back to front. Really cute here. Make sure those ears are the same height. And then I'm actually going to flip it upside down and make 2 loops of the pink. I love a good double-sided ribbon. Okay, making sure those loops are the same size. There you go. Awesome. All right, so we're going to put this right up at the top to allow some extra room for some florals and some greenery to kind of drape through here. There we go. Just through it. Just a little chunk. Okay. Put that right there, right up top. So beautiful. Lovely. Now, I'm going to make a nice little billow right here And I'll go ahead and I'm going to reverse curl these ends because the back side is a really cool pattern that's completely different. All right. I'm going to just pinch this right about here. I think I might just kind of let this one flow because it's not getting in the way, but I do want to tack these to the side. And we're just going to frame the picture with ribbons and with florals. Okay, but I do like that. And again, I'm putting it on the outside versus the inside. So I'm going to add some more florals and greenery and all kinds of whimsical things. Now I can take this one, give it a little curl, work that wire. This is some seriously obedient, well-wired ribbon. There we go. Oh, that's looking cute. Okay, let's lay some greenery. I've got a curly twig spray. Okay, I'm going to cut this at an angle. Look how cool these are. I don't really need many of them because look how full and thick they are. I'm going to go ahead and weave this into the direction of the grapevine. Up and under here. All right, I'll weave that into the direction of the grapevine. Okay, and then we'll do the same over here. So take this, slip it through here. And then, well, maybe we have two pieces now. And then wind them into the direction of the grapevine. Like so. And there, y'all. And then we'll just glue these down so they won't move. I'm going to have some more awesomeness kind of flowing from the bottom. So I can take this and just pop it in about here. Go ahead and start a good greenery base in here. Perfect. All right. So we'll go ahead and put a nice little bend on the stem and just pop these in. Love it. Okay, so next I'm going to add some of these gorgeous watercolor foam awesome things. I think I'm going to use the green, the pink, and the purple. Wow, look at these. Okay, cool. It comes in 3 really solid, awesome clusters. So I love that. I'll put a couple up top and one down bottom. Like the most gorgeous watercolor situation. I love it. Okay. This one out here. Okay, let me grab the green because the green is just perfection. Put these 2 little ones up top, but I want to put this big one on the bottom. So basically I'm using this as like the most whimsical greenery, but man, wow. And big flower heads like this cover up lots of guts. Wiggle that down in there. There we go. Wow, that is just so pretty. Bend it forward a bit. I love all of these colors, you guys. Okay, so down here on the bottom, let's go ahead and add a couple of these purples. One of these blues. Probably another one of these yellows. I really love the balance of that. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect. There, I want it to be just wild and flowing and growing. I love the yellow in the middle. I'm going to put a little bud over these zip ties and probably just call it a day, because that is just kind of the perfect little thing right there to hide my guts. Actually, I think that because this side is shorter, let me put this tiny one over here. Just kidding. Very happy with that. Oh my goodness. And we managed to pull in all the colors of our sweet watercolor cow. Oh, this is going to be so pretty on the door of our ranch house. I love it.